What if your living room could become a cinema without costing a fortune or requiring a bulky setup? Stop scrolling. This isn't just another projector. Imagine watching your favorite films, streaming shows, or even gaming on a massive 100-inch screen, all from a device that fits in the palm of your hand. Today, we're diving into the Philips NeoPix 450 Smart, a compact 1080p projector that promises portability, smart features, and bright visuals. But here's the twist. This isn't just about specs. It's about how a small, affordable device can completely change your home entertainment experience. Stick around, because we'll reveal the one feature that makes it feel almost magical. The NeoPix 450 Smart is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, so whether it's a cozy movie night or a backyard cinema, it adapts to your environment. It offers full HD 1080p resolution and a throw ratio of 1.25:1, letting you project a sharp, vibrant image up to 100 inches wide. Brightness comes from its LED light source rated at 500 ANSI lumens, and the projector is built to last, with a lifespan of roughly 30,000 hours. That means years of viewing without worrying about replacements. Setting it up is effortless. The height-adjustable, swiveling stand, along with autofocus and automatic keystone correction, ensures your image is perfectly aligned, even if your surface isn't ideal. It's not just about visuals. The projector features Google TV, giving access to a wide range of streaming apps, while Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 allow for smooth screen mirroring and wireless audio connections. For wired options, it comes with HDMI and USB ports, and the dual 5-watt speakers deliver surprisingly good sound for a device of this size. Despite packing these features, it remains compact and portable, measuring just 195 by 219 by 119.4 millimeters and weighing under 2.5 kilograms. That makes it easy to move from room to room or even outdoors for movie nights under the stars. But the most surprising part isn't just the size, brightness, or portability. It's how accessible it is. For just $367 in the US, €399 in Europe, or 999 Australian dollars in Australia, you get a full-featured smart home theater experience. Affordable, portable, and smart. The NeoPix 450 Smart proves that high-quality home entertainment doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. So, if you're looking to upgrade your movie nights, this little projector could be exactly what you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews that help you make smarter choices.